Hello, hi, my name is Canice. I'm the president of Plug and Play. And I want to just really start by giving you a very warm welcome to Plug and Play. I understand a number of you, this is the first time you've been here, so I hope you enjoyed this event and very excited for this event. Let me just maybe give you a quick introduction about Plug and Play. So Plug and Play is a business accelerator where we really help accelerate a startup's journey and help accelerate the journey as well as improve the chance of success. I'll explain kind of the 5 pillars of how we do that, but just give you a sense, we look at on the average every year about 3,000 business plans, of which this facility and 2 other facilities in Northern California houses about 300 startups and growth stage companies. And we basically have had a lot of interesting successes throughout the years. So we've been around about 5 years. The way I describe it about Plug and Play is that we have the 5 pillars in terms of how we help accelerate a startup's experience. The first is really what does a startup need? It needs capital. So we provide access to capital via a network of about 170 venture capital firms, angel groups, angel investors. Plug and Play itself also has an investment fund that we co-invest with our investment partners. So after funding, the next thing is you need to build a great team. So we have a talent acquisition group that can help find great basically partners for the entrepreneurs, as well as we also have an executive in residence program where these are experienced executives that really help mentor companies and really provide them advice and help them along the way. The third I would describe as really our corporate partnerships or our corporate relationships. This is where we really find the best match of startups and what corporations are looking for. Whether is it in terms of from a strategic nature, whether is it a partnership or licensing, or possibly an acquisition or investment, but also in terms of we have a number of partners like Navtech that leverage the partnership program to attract developers onto their platform. And we'll be glad to work with corporate partners to build their environment in the community as well. The fourth one is what we call access to Silicon Valley network, where through not only the community of the entrepreneurs and the corporate partners and investors, but also events. This is an example of an event right here. We have about 120 events a year at Plug and Play. Sometimes it feels like we have 100 networking events a day here. So there's literally been, this is already the 3rd event this week at this place. So it's a very vibrant community. And then the 5th one I was described is really our resources for the startups. We have this facility. We have also 2 other facilities that we can provide very flexible office space. We have a data center. We have IT services, a lot of service partners to help the startups, whatever they need to really get going so they can focus on their business. I want to just highlight one important area of focus for Plug and Play, which is I'll describe the centers of excellence. This is center of excellence is really an aggregation of, I would say, innovators and entrepreneurs, investors, corporate partners, governments, as well as experts to really build a vibrant community. We have events like this that we really bring the community together formally, as well as also informally, a lot of meetup events as well. We also have demo centers where we really showcase world-class technology and solutions, and also an advisory board for these centers of excellence. And really the 4 major center of excellence what Plug and Play is focused on is one is an area of mobile. This is really mobile solutions, mobile infrastructure solutions, applications. A second area is very important for us is cloud computing. This is the cloud platform infrastructure, as well as solutions, whether it's business to business or business to consumer. Number 3 will be digital media. This is really social networking, media, video, gaming, social gaming, the whole area that's very, very vibrant here. And the 4th is SmartGrid, right? This is a new area for us, but we're very excited about the SmartGrid. And this is really our first major event in SmartGrid this year. And it's also, we're going to launch the SmartGrid Center of Excellence today. So very, very excited and very excited that you're all here.